welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. So as you can see from the description, today we have the CoverFX Mystery Bag. I am really excited for this. I have never gotten a mystery bag from CoverFX, so I am super excited. I think I just said that like 3 times, but it's okay, to open this and see exactly what it is about. Now, it did come in a white box that really wasn't labeled, so I did open the box to find a bag and products. So I haven't really looked at the products too much because I kind of want to see, you know, with you guys what is in here. And I'm really excited because I do enjoy CoverFX products, so I am excited to see what came in the mystery bag and see, you know, if it's worth doing again and if they roll it out again. So let me know down below if you've ever gotten the mystery bag. Did you get it this go around? And then what you think of the bag itself, the products I received. Also, don't forget we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so if you have not entered that, make sure you head over and do that as well. The link will be below. So let's get to this and see what it is. So obviously the first thing is this nice bag. It says CoverFX and has a gold zipper and then just a regular cloth interior. So it's a good makeup bag. Now, as far as the actual products, the fun stuff, let's get in here. And I'm just going to pull out right here what's on top. This is the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder, and it's in translucent light. So that is what the box looks like. Well, they don't want you to get into the box. Oh, that's because I was opening it backwards. So this is a small little setting powder, but I mean, you know, it can definitely do the job. There is the actual product. Do you see? It is small. It's 1 gram. Now this I'm actually probably going to put aside for a future giveaway because I actually have 2 large setting powders that I need to use. So I don't want this to sit on the shelf and not be used. So this will be put to the side for one of you guys. Yay! It's like a win-win-win. A win-win-win. It comes out something for you. All right, so this I am very excited about. This is some of their custom enhancer drops. So yay, and it is in rose gold, which is one of my favorites as far as like jewelry, and I just love rose gold. So let's take a look. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. So here is the packaging. And this is full size, and I want to say we got this in a BoxyCharm one time. It was a different shade. I think I actually like this one better. But it's like $44, and that was more than the cost of the mystery bag. So definitely worth it in my opinion already. So you see it come out with a little dropper. And a little bit goes a long way with this stuff, so. Oh my goodness, y'all, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. And you really can, you can continue, work it out there. And then you kind of all over have this like sheen, shimmer, sheen prettiness. So yay for a rose gold CoverFX glitter drop, or not glitter drops, custom enhancer drops. All right. And then this looks like a full-size product based on the size. This is the CoverFX blurring primer. Awesome. I've never tried their primer, so I'm really excited to have this, and it's 30 ml, so I'm thinking it's 1 fluid ounce. I'm thinking this is the full size. I don't know pricing on this. I have actually heard great things about this, so I am really happy to get this. Usually with mystery boxes, sometimes with cosmetics companies, you find that you get stuff that people just didn't want to buy, but I mean, the rose gold drops, their primer, that right there, I mean, to me anyway, is worth it. So, and it's definitely not something people didn't want to buy. So I think, you know, props to CoverFX for that. So let's see. This is their Shimmer Veil in Moonstone. Is this a lipstick? No. A pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So there is the outer packaging, and it's in Moon Dust, which looks like it's going to be a pretty color. Ooh, and it is, y'all. This is gorgeous. That is so pretty. So it has like a doe foot, regular doe foot applicator. Y'all, for real? This is so pretty. Let me kind of spread it out here a little bit. That is so gorgeous. Look at that. Bling! Yes, ma'am. I love that color. Let me know down below if you did get this, if you got the same colors, or if there were variations, you know, or just different products altogether. And then we have, okay, so this is actually one of their little glitter drops. This is a small version, which is actually fine. And it is in the color Mirage. So let's see what this looks like. Oh my goodness. This is like, oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? That is so cute. It's tiny, but so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Yes. Right here. It is like, bam. Y'all, that is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited. I am officially pleased and definitely think this was absolutely worth it. Like I said, let me know down below what you guys got if you did get this mystery bag. And, you know, like I said, if it was different variations on colors or anything like that, or just different products altogether. So just to recap, we got the full size custom enhancing drops in rose gold. The CoverFX blurring primer, which is full size, awesome. The shimmer veil in Moonstone, which is super, super pretty. This cute little baby CoverFX glitter drops that is stunning. Both of those look, wow. Sorry for the sound effects. I'm excited. So that is gorgeous. And then we did also obviously remember get the setting powder, which I'm going to put aside to give away for one of you guys, and then the CoverFX bag. So I definitely 110% think this was absolutely worth it. Let me know down below again what you guys think of this, and if you got it, what did you get? Did you get the same products, the same colors, or you know, did they have some variation going on? So yeah, woo, I'm excited. I'm gonna be shining in some videos coming up, y'all. All right. It's getting towards the end of the day and I am getting goofy, so I apologize. Again, don't forget about our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. That link will be down below. I hope you guys have all had a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.